Murphy, musta na? Aga mo ngayon ah. Really rarely of you to actually come in the office early. So tell me, musta na yung investigations mo?
Dahil nga sa nagtataas ang crime rate, we're still investigating it.
Ano to? What is this? I demand an answer to all of this. Do you think nagbabayad lang ako sa'yo para magpalamig lang dito sa 4 na sulok na kwartong ito? You think you're capable?
I am trying my best to find it. To find the person behind this. Hindi mo na kailangan magulo sa office ko, Mayor. Kung manggugulo ka man, mas maganda sana kung hindi ka na pumunta. You're educated enough or maybe more than enough. Baka pwedeng makita din sa gawa, di ba?
And you have the audacity to say that? Don't you dare say that! Don't you dare insult me! Ayaw kong ini-insulto ako eh. Alam mo, for I am the whole right reason kung bakit ka nandito sa bad forsaken office na ito. Wag kang magtataka kung ba't ako nagre-react sa mga palpak na ginagawa mo.
I said kaya ko. Just give me more time and I'll make sure this case will be a success. Just like all the past cases that I've handled before.
Then as it should be. Dahil ayokong isipin na nag-aaksi ako ng pera ng mga tao para sa what? Isang palpak na detective. God!
Ba't ganyan siya raw? Case issues.
Case issues, yes. But the main point is, Mayor Warren confronted me yesterday. Pumasok siya sa office ko na galit na galit. Then, balik tayo sa case issues, right? I just can't find the motive. Mostly naman kasi ng mga cases na sinasolve natin nakikita ang nakakabili ng people. But this one, it's different. It's like the culprit is playing a game with us.
Yeah. With the remove mistakes, no? He surely leads up somehow.
He?
Assumption lang naman, bro. Huwag kumita ng seryoso. Pati kaya mo yan. Just try to play it.
Just like I've said, I can't play along lalo nandiyan si Warren ng mukha na kanya. Wala na siyang ibang ginawa kung di man ng ginawa. For what? Para magpanalig sa office niya.
Yan mo na. Baka stress lang si Mayor.
Pero may bata. You're a pathologist, right?
Yeah.
But what are you trying to prove here? What is this all about?
Well, alam mo kasi, kung hindi ako naging pathologist, magiging physicist ako. Kaya bang solve to?
Who? You're joking, right? I'm not a physicist, I'm a detective.
Hindi ko kasi masolve yung equation natin. Pero alam mo, what if meron tayong device na makakagpulan din sa mga sakit? Like, paralyzation, speech difficulties, di ba? Narinig mo na ba yung microchip na vertebrate? Bali yun yung pinaplant sa brain.
Microchip? Hindi ko po, madami na akong iniisip na problem. Case issues, Mayor Warren, wala na muna akong panahon para pakinggan itong sinasabi ko. But you know, thank you po, nakatulong sa amin. Dahil pinakinggan mo ako, you're such a big deal. Mawasa lang muna ako. Kasi yun o, alam mo na, mamaya bigla namang pumasok sa office si Mayor Warren.
Pero sa amin na.
Thank you very much po.
Thank you rin sa kayo.
Saan ka talaga?
Good evening, sir. Dito na po si Inspector Murphy.
Papasokin mo na.
Sir, kami.
Good evening, Police Officer Lincoln.
Oo na.
It's good to see you again, ha?
Nga pala, Inspector. May nakuha na ba tayong lead performer ni suspect?
So far, negative pa rin. That's why I came here, para ma-review ulit sana yung mga crime scenes.
What if isa pala talaga sa mga higher ranks natin yung tool? Sobrang linis kasi ng pagkaka-execute eh, oh. No fingerprints at all.
Ha? Marco? Ulitin mo nga yung sinabi mo? Gusto mo mawala ng budget na trabaho? Anyway, Here's the recent incident report, sir. Just around the corner lang. Sa may Seaside Riverdale, malapit dito sa police station.
Teka, kung ano man yung nabanggit mo kanina, Police Officer Marco, it makes sense. Pero hanggat wala pa tayong napapatunayan, we'll play it safe.
Sir, what if punta na natin ngayon yung pinangyari ng incident? Para saan ang makakala pa tayo ng mas marami pang impormasyon.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, pwede naman.
Then let's go.
See, sir? Napakalinis ng pagkakagawa. Para bang alam na alam yung bawat step ng pag-conduct natin ng inspection. Kapag wala pa rin talaga tayo mahanap na evidence para sa case na to, then let's just wrap it up for today.
A shiny colored silver chalice pearl that symbolized purity and innocence.
Sir Seb, pinapa kayo dyan? Ngayon na lang ulit tayo nakita.
A shiny colored silver chalice pearl. Let's take this at the office para ma-examine pa.
Let's go.
Matanong ko lang, paano mo alam mo ganong kulay nun?
Wala sir, alam ko lang talaga.
Marco, pareho natin alam na kulay Ben Sebastian ah. At matagal na natin sekreto yun bago pa tayo maging pulis.
Kaya nga eh. Lalo na yung biglaan yung pagpunta sa harap natin kanina. Sobrang nakakagulat yun.
So suspicious sir.
Police officers,
Yes.
wala ba kayong napapansin kakaiba kay Sebastian?
Oo. Biglang sumulpot kanina.
See? Bigla na lang siyang sumulpot kanina sa crime scene. And also, may kapit-kapit na siyang silver like what? Pearl balls?
Good evening, Mayor.
Murphy! Oh my god, we meet again! Finally, after all so long. So, I've actually heard you decided to actually take action this time. Tell me, what are the findings?
We found these silver-like pearl balls all over the crime scene. And we're speculating na ginagamit ito ng culprit to attack its another victim.
Oh my god, hilarious! Nagjo-joke ka lang, no? Don't tell me nagjo-joke ka lang! Oh my god, don't tell me I came all the way in here just to hear about this nonsense of a theory about what? Silver balls? Silver balls?
Sir, excuse me. Pero I think, yung sinasabi nilang silver balls, is totoo. I think may pinapahiwalig itong gustong parating sa atin.
Alam nyo, nag-aaksaya lang talaga ako ng oras dito eh. Oh my god, you guys are a bunch of idiots! All about talking nonsense about what? Silver balls? Oh my god! Silver balls!
Police officers.
Yes, sir.
Where's Police Officer Lincoln?
Sir, as of now po, ako muna yung duty ngayon dito sa may office. Sa labas po yung Sir Lincoln ngayon, sir.
Tell him na may panibagong incident na nangyari.
Copy, sir. Quadra, Mike, yung copy. Sir, we have incident report, sir. Kailangan po namin kayo dito, sir, ngayon right away. Copy, sir. Pumunta na po yung Sir Lincoln, sir.
A crime happened again near the park. Pupunta na sana ako morgue but I saw this guy kneeling at the park side.
Sir, sorry,
Sir, incident report po para kay Inspector Murphy.
Police Officer Lincoln, Police Officer Sebastian.
pwede na kanina.
Well, gaya nga na sinasabi ko, there's a crime happened again near the park. 11:30 p.m. As for the culprit, it's wearing an all-black outfit and isn't visible at all. And para naman sa ating victim, he was stabbed. And may nakita ko sa right part wrist saying, Curemus Eterum.
Ocuremus iterum.
Sir, what does that even mean?
We will meet again.
Ocuremus Iterum. We will meet again. So it means, connected ito sa sinigaw ng victim bago siya atakihin.
We'll go check inside the body at the morgue for autopsy and test. Police Officer Marco, create a report file for me.
Cooper!
Yes, sir.
Nasi mo ba yung call?
Oo, bali na-receive ko naman yung call mo kanina. Yun nga, may new victim tayo.
And also, I would like to inspect the remains of the previous victims.
For what?
You know, just for the sake of this case.
Sure, go ahead. Prepare ko lang itong mga gamit. Balikan yung mga pansin ko sa akin. Yung mga sulat sila.
The right arm? All of them?
Yeah.
Emergency call!
Sir, as of now, may nakabatay na tayo about entrance at exit ng bayan. There are 2 police officers na naka-assign per boundary.
Marquez, Reyes, Gutierrez, and Gomez, sir. Meron na rin po tayo nag-duty both morning and night, sir.
Police officers, do you think this is enough? This is not enough. Kailangan pa natin magdagdag ng police officers sa lahat ng boundaries. The police officers are also assigned to do rounds. Do it in every 3 hours. Isa pa, kailangan natin pandayan lahat ng pumapasok at lumalabas ng bayan. We need to do it tighter this time.
Copy, sir. Magre-resign po kami ng bagong duty starting today.
Yes, retro.
What's wrong with Sebastian?
No, sir. Lagi siyang ganyan these past few days.
You're still working on that microchip that you were talking about last time.
Ano naman yung mapag-uusan ko ng oras? Stress.
Ngayon ko lang nalaman na ganyan ka pala ka-dedicated sa trabaho mo. Last time lang, sinabi mo sa akin na ayaw mo na ng ganitong trabaho.
Gusto rin ba akong gano'n? Pero na maalala.
But cool.
Oh.
Did you remember? Whenever I'm feeling stressed, you always pat my shoulders.
Nagawa ko yun?
Of course! Di mo na ba naalala?
Hindi. Hindi ko ginawa yun. Wala akong maalala ng ganun.
So it means, hindi sa'yo nagmamatter ang past.
Alam mo, the past doesn't matter.
What did you just say?
The future overpowers the present and buries the past.
What did you just say?
Yung sabi ko, that
Yes, sir. I'm agree.
where that matter goes. Sino?
Una na ako.
Sino naman yun? You detectives keep not save you this time, Murphy. You have made one miscalculation. And I will make sure death will march towards you.
Sir! Ano nangyari dito?
Sir, mas better ba tumawag ako ng ambulansya at saka sokotin?
Okay, sige.
Mas better-
Natawagan ko na si Inspector.
Yes, sir. Hello, Happy.
Hello, Inspector. We have a problem. Sebastian died. Punta ka na dito ASAP.
Sir, on the way na ba yung ambulansya at saka backup natin para interview yung katawag, sir?
Okay, sige. Natawagan ko na din si Inspector.
Sir, ano nangyari dito?
Hindi ko rin alam.
Pwede natin i-check yung CCTV, sir, para malaman natin kung ano talaga totoo.
Sige.
Sir, set up na natin. Kukuha agad ako ng tela para takpan natin yung katawan ni Seth. Kung mas mabuti siguro kung natin gawin para makakuha tayo ng maraming informasyon dito.
Sige, Marco. Inspector.
Sir,
What do you mean police officer Sebastian died?
sir,
Pagkapasok namin dito, bigla na lang namin nakita si Sebastian. Nakahandusay na dyan.
sir, you really need to see this.
Oremus iterum. Oremus iterum. Oremus iterum. Oremus iterum. Red Luna. My Red Luna. Let's conveniant iterum. Egos expectans multos annos. Iterum inocorsum mihi.
So, you committed suicide, huh? As we can tell, may iba na talaga ako napapasin kay Police Officer Sebastian.
Bakit kailangan mangyari to?
Parang lagi siya wala sa sarili.
Kaya nga, Inspector.
Police Officer Lincoln, please. Deliver the body at the morgue to run some test. Susunod
Sige,
ako.
Inspector.
Okay, sir.
Murphy.
With you.
Oh.
Nag-examine mo ba yung katawan?
Actually, bago ko lang siya i-examine. Pero yung kanina, may napansin ako dito. Kung mapapansin mo, dito, sa kalang braso na, may nakalagay, Puremus iter, katulad ng mga nakaraang victims.
Superintendent, bigla nagpapamating si Sebastian.
Yeah.
Mr. Investigator. Isa pa, doon sa crime scene, meron kami nakita ang panibagong silver like pearl balls. And hindi namin alam kung yun ba talaga yung main weapon o yun yung ginagamit sa pagpatay sa ating mga victims.
Ano namang ibig sabihin niya? Silver pearl balls?
See?
Ano
Doesn't make sense.
Ano connect nandito?
And also, kagaya nga saan kapag mo. There's something similar sa first victim. Katulad nga nito, tapos na, puro musika. And parehas sila na may sinasabi bago sila mamatay. May red luna o may red luna.
Hindi ba natin itong salitang to?
I don't even know. See? Masyadong mysterious ang crime scene.
Yeah.
May red luna. Oh, may red luna. Pero po, matanong kita. Ano yan sa bata mo?
Wala. Last week nagpatutulong ako. You know, change of style lang, di ba?
Thanks.
Wala ka na?
Excuse me.
Good morning, sir. How may I help you?
I need some information about the psychiatrist who owned this clinic.
Sir, sorry. Hindi po allowed ang staff na mag-disclose ng ganyang information. Lalo na't hindi naman po namin kayo patient.
You can check my ID or even call the police.
Sorry, sir. Policy po yun ng clinic namin. If you really want that information, why not be a patient first?
Nurse! Hindi mo ba naiintindihan? I need that information now!
Sir, hindi niyo po kailangan mag-cause ng commotion dito. Hindi po kami binabayaran para sigawan at ma-stress lang sa inyo. It is our clinic policy. Otherwise stated, we can't make any revision with that. Kung ayaw nyo, makakaalis na po kayo.
You know what? Ano bang pangalan mo?
I'm Nurse Lucas, sir.
See? Ganun lang naman kadali, di ba? Now give me an answer and give me the information I need.
Sir, just please, umalis na lang po kayo. We can accommodate your request. And please, stop! Stop degrading my apprentice.
Sorry, sir. Policy po talaga namin yun. Hindi naman po pwedeng hindi kami sumunod sa policy. Ayaw ko pong mawalan ng trabaho.
Sir, that's all we can do.
Kumusta ko?
It was you? It was you all along?
Brother!
You played me! Pinaglaruan mo ako at pinag-isip mo ako na sa simula pa lang kakampi kita. You are such a liar!
Hindi ko kasalanan na maling tao ang tinitignan mo. At hindi rin ako sinungaling. Dahil kahit kailanman, hindi ako naging totoo.
You planned this! You executed this! At hindi ko maisip sa sarili ko na natulungan kita sa trabaho mo.
Yes! See this smile on you. It has microchips. Isn't it fun seeing them beg and scream? Diba? Di ba masaya nakikita silang nahihirapan at nasasaktan? These microchips are planted in their brain. I control them. I am them. All of them.
Bakit? Bakit? Why would you do such things?
Just because it's for me and for you to find out. Nag-enjoy ka ba, Murphy?
My God, these cases.
Catherine, ikaw ba yan? Matagal na kitang hindi nakita. Where have you been?
I'm always here, Murphy. Hindi naman ako nawala. Lagit-lagi lang ako nandito. My God.
Cooper is a traitor. Walang maliligtas. Hanggat nasa labas siya.
Well, based on this data that I have already gathered, na hindi mo naman siguro tinignan, my best friend, well, he's fond of bridges. Kind of weird, but I think he'll be in Rio de Casa. So we need to go there as much as possible, as soon as we can.
How did you know that? Why did you show up earlier? Cooper! Is this part of our game?
For Pete's sake, Murphy! Stop it! My God, hindi pa ba tayo tapos dito? Isn't this enough, Murphy? Look at me, isn't that enough? Para patunayan ako to, si Catherine. And of all people, I would never betray you, Murphy. Alam na alam mo yan. My God, such a traitor.
Hindi ko na alam. Gulong-gulo na ako.
Well, I understand you. Pero for now, Hindi emosyon ang uunahin mo, Murphy. Utak. So I guess we'll just base on this stupid documents. 426 Rio de Casa. Just call this darn police. God.
Where's Catherine? I thought she'll be here at exactly 4:36 p.m. Where's the police backups? Cooper's still roaming free. Or maybe tama yung hinala ko. Na-party si Catherine ng grupo ni Cooper. I'm such an idiot. Stop! Stop! Cooper, stop it! It's the end of your line! Don't you dare run away from me!
Murphy, alam mo ba? Ito yung naririnig ko pangalan mo. Naaalala ko yung Murphy's Law. Murphy's Law states that if anything can go wrong, will go wrong. Murphy, ano ba? Ako to, yung kaibigan mo. Hindi mo ba naaalala? Tigil mo na to, Murphy. This is all part of his stupid game. Ngayon pa talaga hinanap si Catherine. Sa tingin mo, mahanap mo ba siya ngayon? Baba ka! The last time, dude. Goodbye.
Cooper. What happened?
Cooper's dead, Murphy. But you don't need to worry at all. It's considered self-defense, so hindi naman tayo magkakaproblema sa part na yun. Actually, I've been so proud of you, Murphy. Simula ngayon, wala ka pa rin pinagbago. Katulad ka pa rin ng dati. Matapang at matalino sa lahat ng bagay. But you know, I'm quite upset. Kasi parang medyo nag-iiba ka na ngayon. But still so proud of you.
I won't be able to do anything alone. You were there, Catherine. Indeed, a support system.
Well, if it's not for me, wala rin naman ako dito kung di dahil sa'yo. So yeah, I don't think it's a big deal. You don't need to thank me. Murphy, I think you have an important call.
Thank you, Catherine. Hello?
Come by my office. I really need you.
Yes, Mayor.
I have so many things to say to you. Just be here ASAP. Sana naman di ka pa mawala dyan, ha? Alam mo na naman kung saan ako makikita. May gusto ka pa bang pwede sasabihin? Anyways, see you soon.
Yes. Thank you, Mayor. I'll be there. Mayor Warren called me. Pinapapunta niya ako sa office ngayon.
Well, that's your choice.
Good day, Mayor. It's good to see you again. Case closed. Masaya ka na ba?
Sobrang saya ko tong araw na to. Who knew that my world's greatest detective in this city has to offer? Nagkakampi ka lang ata mukhang tumatapang ka na. My greatest detective. You know, actually, I was meaning to ask, ano nangyari kala Cooper? Nangyari doon sa great best friend mo na isang pathologist or whatnot?
Don't you dare say his name.
Bakit naman? Nakakasar ka ba? Ano ba nangyari sa kanya? Ano nangyari kay Catherine? Ano nangyari sa kanilang dalawa? Nag-peak talaga sa interest ko yun eh. Sino nga ba tong Cooper? Sino nga ba tong Catherine na pinagsasabi nitong walang kwentang detective? Well, I actually checked my files and you know how I always keep my eyes open. Lagi kong chine-check. Like, who the hell are these two? And well, truth be told, wala naman talagang Cooper eh. Wala rin naman talagang Catherine.
Stop!
Di ba? Baliw na ata tong detective ko na to eh. You know, I think you'd have this rare acute case of what? Nga pala tawag doon? Ayun, alam ko na.
Stop it!
Schizophrenia. Oh my God! Hindi pala totoo itong lugar na to. Lahat ng binuhay ko, lahat ng pinundar ko, hindi naman pala totoo. Ano kaya sasabihin ng asawa ko dito? You know, ang cute talaga ng teddy bear na to. But you know what's even better? May pala sa ligilalim. Putek. Murphy! Ang galing mo talaga eh. Pero may kanina talagang hindi mo nakuha. Ako talaga ang may hawak nun. Ako talaga yung Red Luna na hinahanap mo. Hindi ko talaga tumatak sa isip mo na, ay, yung nga pala, huwag ko nakakalimutan. Yung mayor nga pala. Yun talaga pagkakamali mo eh. Lagi mo talaga ako kinakalimutan. Kaya, gusto ka talaga matapos eh. Ako na Murphy.
Natatanda mo ba kami, nak?
I remember you, Dad, Mom. But I really need to find Catherine.
Anak, Murphy, matagal nang patay si Catherine. Don't you remember? She went missing for almost 6 months. And then her parents found her dead. It's been 3 years na wala si Catherine. Please, let her go.
No, Mom. Catherine was just right here. We fought Cooper. And she patted my shoulder, just like she always do.
Anak, please. Hindi na alam ng mami gagawin niya.
I will, Mom. It's just, I need her right now.
Mr. Torix, as you can see, your son has schizophrenia. It's a chronic brain disorder which might cause hallucinations and delusions. Murphy is currently on phase 2 for what we call the active stage.
Pwede ba yun? This is nonsense. Ni wala kang kilalang Cooper ang anak ko, Dok. He's been at this hospital room since then.
I don't make miracles. I don't create magic. Kung yun ang diagnosis na pinigay ko sa anak mo, wala akong ibang magagawa.
I don't care. I don't freaking care. Kung ubusin ko man lahat ng pera ko, kung magkano man itapal ko dyan sa ulo mo, pagalingin mo anak ko. He needs to be normal.
I said what I have said. I might help, but I'm not sure if my help is what your son really needs.
No. I'm not schizophrenic. Dad, Mom, please, maniwala naman kayo sa akin. Dad, Mom, we need to find Catherine. For sure siya rin maniniwala sa akin. Dad, Mom, please, do something.
Nak, ako bahala.
Catherine!
Murphy!
Catherine!
Nak, ako bahala, nak.
Murphy!
Saan si Catherine?
Andun banda.
Mom, Dad, why is Catherine's graveyard look like this? Mom? Mom? Dad? Silver Pearl Balls. Silver Pearl Balls.
Peekaboo! Gugulutin ka talaga. Paborin mo si Itero Murphy. Sobrang kaduwag mo, iniwan mo na yung hat mo. Here. Signature hat mo. Yan na talaga yung nagpapatanda sa akin na ikaw si Murphy. Yun lang totoo. Yeah. Galing talaga eh. But all of this happening right now, nagsisimula lang yan sa feeble head mo. Yan lang nagsisimula eh. So bali, hindi pala totoo yung family. Hindi pala totoo yung government. Hindi pala totoo yung title ko as mayor. Ay, to hell, di naman pala ako totoo eh. Well, what better way to actually end this? Nalaman ko talaga yung sweet truth is to actually kill me.
Stop it! You're not real!
Totoong-totoo ako. And I will be your death. Ako ang kamatayan. Yeah,
Tigil mo to, Mayor!
siguro metaphor na lang ata eh. But I hope that heaven opens up for you. Hindi ka mapunta sa hell. Goodbye, Murphy. Pero ayoko pa eh. Gusto ko pa makita nagsisuffer ka dun eh. Alam mo, you are actually one hell of a pain in the ass na hinihintay ko talaga makikita yung pangalan mo sa mga No? Alam mo yun, na-imagine ko na talaga yun. Nakikita pangalan mo sa isang tombstone. Oh no! Ano kaya sabihin ng parents mo? Patay na anak ko. Ay! Ang ganda nun. Such sweet bliss. Pero sa totoo talaga eh.
And you know how I always keep my eyes open, you know? Alam mo ba isa, tanda ko pa yun eh. Ano ba yung sabi ng best friend mo? I will make sure death comes marching towards you. Di ko alam kung alam mo ba yun eh. Pero
It's
alam,
not even
alam ko
real.
yun. And well, hindi metaphorically, ako talaga ang kamatayan. Bye-bye!